Are you ready to see the future through your eyes? Forget holding a phone. मैं ये वीडियो सीधा अपने चश्मे से रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ. Hands-free reviews just hit a whole new level. This is the future of communication, hands-free and immersive. Imagine this, आपकी आंखों में एक मिनी सुपर कंप्यूटर मेटा एआई जो आपका पर्सनल असिस्टेंट बन गया है. Signboards translated, menus summarized, lost car found, all with a voice command. But wait, there's more. 12 megapixel ultra wide camera capturing live hands free. WhatsApp calls, Messenger, video notes, music on the go, सब कुछ बिना फोन को छुए. And every epic moment saved in the MetaView app. What's up? Back with the Ray-Ban Meta Wayfarer, straight from the US, courtesy of my friend Harshal Bhagwat. I have been testing these out for real life practicality, and let me tell you, it's wide. So let's dive in. First things first, let's talk about the case. यार देखने में तो प्रीमियम फील आता है. It's got this nice weight and feels super solid. Like it can actually protect these expensive sunglasses. But get this, ये सिर्फ केस नहीं, ये चार्जर भी है. Inside there are perfect little spots where the glasses just sit and the charging points magnetically connect हो जाते हैं. कोई झंझट नहीं, just pop them in and ये चार्ज करना चालू कर देता है. The case itself charges with the USB Type-C port, which is great because आजकल सबके पास वही होता है. Plus there's a little LED light on the case that shows you the charging status of both the case and the glasses. ये छोटी छोटी बातें बहुत अच्छी लगती है bro. Now let's discuss the quality of the glasses. Being Ray-Bans, a certain level of quality is expected, and they certainly meet those expectations. The frame feels sturdy yet lightweight, and the lenses, the ones I am using, offer excellent clarity even in the bright sunlight. They provide great comfort for the eyes. They feel like genuine high-quality glasses and not the inexpensive device. On the left temple, you will find the power button which slides to turn on the device on and off. On the right temple, the button allows you to take photos with the single press and record videos with the long press. This is the touchpad. Tap once to pause or play audio, double tap to skip forward, triple tap to skip back, swipe forward to increase the volume and swipe back to decrease the volume. और साउंड क्वालिटी एकदम खतरनाक है, किसी को पता भी नहीं चलेगा कि तुम क्या सुन रहे हो. Plus you can just talk, hey Meta, record a video, या फिर hey Meta, what's the time, like a boss. These voice commands are pretty natural and glasses usually respond pretty quick. हाँ, कभी कभी थोड़ा मिस हियर कर सकता है, especially अगर बहुत शोर हो. But overall, the way AI and these features are put together in the Ray-Ban Meta Wayfarer is what makes it so unique. Battery life is decent, चलती है around about 3 hours, but the best part, ये केस में चार्ज होते रहता है, so no tension, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा. However, the core innovation lies with the technology integrated in these glasses. The AI features are particularly noteworthy. Consider this: while walking, I can simply ask, "Hey Meta, what kind of plant is this?" It then attempts to identify and provide the information. Similarly, when looking at the vegetables, I can inquire, hey Meta, what recipes can be made with these? This type of AI in wearable devices is still in the initial stages, but its potential is significant. The camera quality is surprisingly decent for something so tiny built into the glasses. And the fact that you can go completely hands-free, वो तो एकदम game changer है कुछ situations. ये definitely future की wearable tech की एक झलक है. And for everyone watching, what do you guys think about these smart glasses? Drop in your thoughts in the comments below. Also, quick point for those who wear number glasses like me. Ray-Ban actually offers these Meta Wayfarers with prescription lenses. सही में. So if you can't see without your specs, you don't have to miss out on this tech. You can get them made with your exact prescription, which is a massive plus. Imagine all these smart features built right into your everyday prescription glasses. ये तो super cool है. Getting prescription lenses might take a bit extra and cost more, but it makes these glasses way more practical for daily use, especially for us who need vision correction. It shows Ray-Ban has thought about different kinds of users. One last thing, without the case, its smart features disappear. So do remember to keep the case safe.